Billy! You best be getting up, partner. I've got some news for you.
No, ew.
Billy, I got big news for you today, partner.
What, bitch?
How about we take a nice long drive to find out?
Okay. Oh, Rhett, I'm high on loving you.
Oh, Billy, I'm just gonna say it.
Wait, can we get Starbucks?
Yeah, Billy. Better buckle up, buckaroo.
Hi there, little lady.
Hi. It's just gonna be one agave juice for my bro, Billy.
Of course, little one. Here's your juice. I drank some of it, though.
Thank you, ma'am. Oh, Billy, it's our song.
Oh, Rhett.
Billy Joel Flemings, will you make me the happiest man in this world and marry me?
Oh my God, yes. Rhett, you just made me happier than a squirrel eating a cactus.
'Cause when I taste tequila,
a shiny little Beamer with the rack top down, sitting in the drive, but she wouldn't get out. The dogs were all barking and wagging around, and I just laughed and said, you all get in. She had on a new dress and she curled her hair. She was looking too good not to go somewhere. Said, what you wanna do, baby, I don't care. We can go to the show, we can stay right here, and I can take you for a ride on my big green tractor. We can go slow or make it go faster, down through the woods and out to the pasture. Long as I'm with you, it really don't matter.
I came to life when I first kissed you. The best man